Students, my name is Shivam Jajoria and I am your maths teacher. Today we are start exercise 1.3. Before that part, I am already done my part 1, part 2 and part 3, which ever discuss about the exercise 1.1, 1.2 and about the general introduction of this chapter. Now today we are start to solve exercise 1.3 of maths, such as Oriental Black Swan book. So we are start to solve the question number first, fill in the blanks, and according to this question we are now understand which type of question is coming in this exercise. Now start, fill in the blanks. Okay, minus 20, it's divided by from which term? So answer is coming 4. 20 and 4, it's different na? So when you are not understand how to solve this question, so you have to decide that type of method. 20 divide, so you write here divided by x. You are not know about this term, and equal to 4. Then after you are solve from cross multiply. Okay, 4 is coming here and x is going there. X is equal to minus 20 upon 4. Now 20 and 4 is in same table. So by cut-short method we have to solve this problem. 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. Okay, now in the next line you have getting a answer, x equal to minus 5. So minus 5 is putting here. Like this type of question you have to solve, okay, for practicing this exercise. Now after that we are directly going the question number 3, because in the question number 2 you have true and false question, and I am know you are easily solve that type of questions. So in the question number 3 you have to get quotient. What is the quotient of that division? Okay, before starting this quotient, find this quotient, you have to know what is the quotient. I am clearly shown that you are knowing this method. This is the division method. Now here is coming the quotient, here is coming the divisor, here is coming the dividend. Okay, now in the last you getting the remainder. So what is the quotient? That is the quotient. Okay, you have to find it. Minus 124, it is the dividend. 4, it is the divisor. Now you have to want that quotient. So what is the quotient? You have to solve here. You also solve that type of method whenever you don't know about this method, cut-short method. So you have to solve this by this division method. Okay, now we have to solve that. 4 3 ja 12 and 4 1 ja 4. So you are getting the answer minus 31. Okay, now in the next 200 divided by minus 50. 200 divided by minus 50, 0 cancel out, 0 to 0 cancel out. 20 upon minus 5, 5. These both are coming in the same table. So we are cutting from the 5 table. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 4 ja 20. Okay, so answer will become -4. So that type you have to solve this question. It's nothing too much difficulty in this question. You have to solve, you have to try to practice that question, and you have to easily solve these questions. Okay, now in the next question, such as question number 4, simplify. I am already told that what is simplify, what is reduce, what is evaluate, what is calculate. Okay, you have to generally that type of question you have to solve the question only with any sign or with any equation. You have to just solve the question. In that type of question you have to use BODMAS. What is the BODMAS? BODMAS is that bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First you have to solve the bracket. After that you have to solve the question. In that case you have to solve by sign convention. 16 multiply minus 9 and 24. Now in that case you have to solve by your own choice. How to solve that? Now whenever you don't know about that, so you have to go your method by 16 multiply by 9, 9 6 54, 5 is carry on, 9 1 is 9 and 5 is carry, so 14 will become, it's a minus 144. Now in the denominator 24 is coming, we are dividing this, so the answer will become -6. Okay, so answer we will write -6. Or when we are when you are not interested in multiply, so going from this method, 16 multiply minus 9 and 24, divide by 6, divide by 3 table and 3 8 okay, divide by 8 table, 8 3 is 24, add to just 16. Now divide by 3, minus 3 it's coming, so 2 multiply minus 3, 2 multiply minus 3 is -6. Now that type of the solution. Okay, you have to go with this type of expression in this question. Now in the next question, the product of two integer is 84. You have to multiply two integer and you getting the result 84. Now if one integer is -12, find the other. First integer is given in this question. Now you have to find the other integer. So let us suppose that second integer is y and first integer is x. First integer value is given in this question, -12. Now we have to, according to question, we have to multiply both the terms and getting the result 84. You have to value, you have already know that what is the value of x. So -12 is getting and y and equal to 84. Now you have to know that, you already know that -12 is cross multiply and going in the denominator because it is multiply with the y, so that's why it's going in the downward section, such as denominator of 84. Now you have to know that what is the table of 12. Whenever you don't know about the 12 table, so you have to cut by the table of 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja and 2 2 ja 4, and after that you are cutting to by table of 6, 6 7 ja 42. Okay, now according to this cutting, 12 7 ja 84, so minus 7 will be the answer. Now in the next question, same situation is here, but according to this we have to prove m divided by n and n divided by m is not equal in this question. Okay, because whenever you are dividing 2 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 2, is it equal? No, it is not equal. So according to this question, you have to value of m and n. Putting the value in LHS and RHS, you getting the result minus 3 and minus 1 upon 3, such as it is not equal. So that will be the answer, that LHS is not equal to RHS. Now in the next question, same question, it's related to the last question number 5. The product of two integers is minus 112 and 1 is given in this question, and find the other. So we have to suppose that x and y is the two integer and value of x is given in this question, and product of two integer is minus 112. So x multiplied with the y is minus 112. X value is given in this question minus 8. When y you have to find out, and what is the product of minus 112? 8 is going the downward section, such as denominator of minus 112. So after that you have to cut by by division method. Okay, 8 1 ja 8, 3 is remaining, and after that 2 is coming the downward. 8 4 ja 32. So 14 will be the answer. Minus, it's cancelled by minus sign. Y is equal to 14, such as second integer of that question. Okay, now today we are already know that we have to task that question exercise. We have to task that to solve the exercise 1.3, and in the next video we have to solve the exercise of 1.4, and you have some homework for today. You have to solve all the question by practicing or seeing this video, and you have to complete your notebook or copy, or increase your solving power of these questions, such as related questions. Solve example of the book. Okay, whenever you are not understand, then comment on my this video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.